Hello viewers. Today we'll see the challenges faced in analyzing user stories in an agile framework. Since the user stories are written in an informal native language to describe the system requirement from the perspective of end user, it gives very high level definition and acceptance criteria along with implementation strategies. Acceptance criteria of a user story should represent the conditions to be met in delivering the product. It is also referred as definition of done and definition of ready. The most challenge faced in analyzing the user story across when it does not have all inverse criteria. Unfortunately, most of the user stories are incomplete, inconsistent, or missing altogether, putting project at risk due to the lack of experience and expertise in an agile framework. To write user story, it requires exposure to various user domain. Also, product owner and key stakeholders to be in a position to put the acceptance criteria. In transitioning to agile way of modeling, the acceptance criteria of a user story is a large part of analysis. I am not recommending for complete or upfront analysis, rather more of an iterative, lightweight and continuous user-centric analysis in order to work and leverage the benefit of agile. The use of lightweight visual models like user focused process flows, user story maps, user centric process enables the team to build the right thing fast. Second common challenge is estimating effort. Team analyzes the requirement functionalities defined in the user story along with the acceptance criteria in identifying the right development task and right estimation. Here, we need to size the story at a level of granularity so that effort can be estimated accurately. When the user stories are written too broadly, it is impossible to estimate accurately, and also crucial details are likely to be missed. With lack of estimation in agile project, we may end in delivering undesired product and thereby leaving the customer unsatisfied. Basic principle of agile estimation like story point, size of a story is arrived by the use of right estimation techniques like poker card, t-shirt sizing, bucket systems. We should try different methods based on the complexity of the feature to be implemented and experience and technical skill of the agile team. As we move from traditional documentation to discussion, the well-written user stories spark healthy and powerful conversation within an agile team to find the context that to be delivered. Most business team involves the team, treating them as partner to find new things and opportunity. Estimating at more granular level enables proper planning and management. Other common challenge is establishing baseline for productivity. Basically, triple constraints of the project such as scope, schedule and cost works as measure to track project progress that will not deviate from the plan. Also, we need to benchmark the quality since it has impact on cost. In the absence of baseline, it is hard to keep track and organize changes at any level.
By establishing baseline, we gain improved performance assessment and better project estimates. When the project baseline becomes inefficient and not given required importance, we may face problems like lack of adequate resources, which will cause delay in product delivery. The longer delay in the project schedule will result in more project cost. Measuring the project progress and identifying bottleneck become cumbersome. Most importantly, will have inverse impact on deliverable quality. Agile matrices place a special emphasis on quality because of the end goal, that is delivering working software to users. Use of right matrices like burn down chart, velocity chart gives the ability to compare the planned and actual performance and helps in measuring the earned value of the project.
In general, great user stories always fit all invest criteria, sized to complete in one sprint and should focus on the value that to be delivered. Thank you.